The Ford F-150 Lightning Supertruck, heralded as an innovative leap in electric vehicle technology, encountered a setback in its development journey but emerged victorious in a grueling test at Pikes Peak. This iconic event showcased both the challenges and triumphs of pushing the boundaries of electric truck performance. Originally slated for a smooth production timeline, the F-150 Lightning Supertruck faced unexpected delays attributed to fine-tuning its advanced electric drivetrain and battery systems. Despite these setbacks, Ford remained steadfast in its commitment to delivering a game-changing electric truck that merges capability with sustainability. The setback did not deter the F-150 Lightning Supertruck from demonstrating its prowess at the demanding Pikes Peak International Hill Climb. Known as one of the toughest motorsport challenges, Pikes Peak tests vehicles' power, handling, and endurance on a treacherous ascent to over 14,000 feet. The F-150 Lightning Supertruck's triumph at Pikes Peak underscored its capability to excel in extreme conditions, showcasing the potential of electric powertrains in high-performance applications traditionally dominated by internal combustion engines. This achievement solidified Ford's position at the forefront of electric vehicle innovation, proving that sustainability does not compromise on power or performance. The F-150 Lightning Supertruck is not just an electric adaptation of a beloved classic, it represents Ford's vision for the future of trucking. With lightning-fast acceleration, impressive towing capacity, and off-road prowess, it promises to redefine what customers expect from a modern pickup. At the heart of the F-150 Lightning Supertruck's performance is its advanced electric powertrain, engineered to deliver instantaneous torque and seamless acceleration. This technology not only enhances driving dynamics but also contributes to lower operational costs and reduced environmental impact compared to traditional gasoline-powered trucks. Ford's commitment to overcoming challenges and delivering excellence was evident throughout the development and testing phases of the F-150 Lightning Supertruck. The setbacks encountered during its journey served as valuable learning experiences, driving continuous improvement and innovation within Ford's electric vehicle strategy. Looking ahead, the F-150 Lightning Supertruck stands poised to revolutionize the trucking industry, offering customers a compelling blend of power, efficiency, and advanced technology. As consumer demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, Ford's investment in the F-150 Lightning Supertruck represents a strategic move to capture a growing market segment while championing sustainability. In conclusion, while the F-150 Lightning Supertruck faced setbacks in its development timeline, its triumph at Pikes Peak showcased its resilience and capability in the face of adversity. Ford's perseverance in pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle technology underscores its commitment to leading the charge towards a more sustainable automotive future, where innovation and performance go hand in hand.